box within a box without lifting the box out. It's gonna be too many boxes. I just hope there's no other boxes inside. So we got this template. Looks like it's telling us something. Probably just how to use machine. So number one, put the back water thing first. Second is setting temperatures. Third is nozzles. And that's the menus that we have. This one gives the instruction manual. Okay, let's pull this thing out. The parts. So it has this groove here, so I think this one enters from this side and then you rotate it and then doesn't come out. Then you rotate it, it goes out. Okay, that's good. Looks like that's a grinder. Okay, yep, that's the grinder. So we'll remove the tapes. So that's the machine. So this one has the pressure. Normally the other machine that I had was 15 bar. This is 20 bar. This is double cup, single, steam, and grinding. I think these are grinding options here. This is power on, and this is where the grinder goes. Let's have a try. I assume this one locks up here somehow. Yep, that's done. Okay, now where does the other thing go? And then we have this one. Okay, so this one says insert here, so this one goes from here all the way up to here, and that's when you start the coffee machine. So we'll remove the tapes. Oh, this one comes out obviously. Yeah, and there's some sort of plastic here. Yep. And there's some other accessories here. So we got one of these, looks like it's to open something. Then we have this brush and this other cleaning brush for pipes. So I think that's about it. Let's install it and see how it goes. Yep, reminder, so make sure you remove this before you start the machine, because this one won't allow the water to get in, so you won't be seeing any coffee. So let's get into it. Okay, so we got the machine right up here in the kitchen. Now this one comes out, so the plastic thing, I'm just gonna wash it and then put some water in it and push it at the back. Here we go. these two has to be on either side so that it can slide in. So I'm just gonna go slide it in. I zoom this way and then I'll start the grind. Yep. So we'll remove this one. Dab it down a bit more. And then we will put this in. Okay, that's it. So there's a knob on the right hand side that says off on the top and then froth on the bottom. So if you go turn it all the way this way on the bottom, then it starts doing the froth. If you just want water, it can also do the water. For example, this is in my case, if I was to do frothing, I could just use this way. And use the frother here. And to close it, turn off the frother from here. I hope this helps. This is a good machine. I will give another review once I have used it for quite a while, but for now it does what it should be and I'm pretty happy with it for now. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. Thank you.